Alright, so get the water. So it's bright, my hair was crazy. Just sold the Mustang I just bought, I just sold it. Now I'm gonna go look at the 350Z, so wish me luck, it's an hour drive. Alright, so I sold that Mustang. I liked it, but I didn't make any money on it. I just I made like 50 bucks, like whatever. It really didn't make any money considering I had to tow it and whatever. I just wanted it gone. I didn't really, I had a weird feeling about it, so I just got rid of it. Right now though, we are going to go look at a 350Z, a real car I want. So that should be fun. I'll take you boys along, I guess. Vlogging is weird, I don't like it. So I can look at you weird. I have this big ass setup, like it's fucking, to be honest with you guys, it's really weird, I don't like it. That's why I don't. Alright, so I'm pretty sure it's my new car. Man, I'm so sure. This thing's sick. Alright, so a lot of you guys don't really like my guess you guys, most of my subscriber, whatever, don't really care for Japanese vehicles or whatever. And I'm not like a JDM, like, oh, JDM freak. I like everything. Like, I like Mustangs, I like V8s, obviously, I like, you know, diesels, whatever. But I've had a thing for the 350s forever. The 350Zs, like, just been deep down my heart for a long time. I've liked them. Like, you can ask everybody that I know. And sadly, I don't own anybody yet, you know. But no, I've had like this weird thing for the 350s forever. Never even driven one. I thought I would like it a lot. Like just by looking at them and like seeing the seats and shit, I've always thought I would like them. And I sat and I was like, ooh, I like this car. Like immediately I was like, fuck, I like this thing. And then he's like, drive it, go ahead. I'm like, okay, so I go and whip it. And then the clutch and the transmission is just so much different than a Mustang. Like everything, I was just used to the Mustang, the body roll and everything. Just nothing there with the 350. Yeah, they're not as fast, I don't think. I mean, we did go like 130. The test drive, he like ripped it to like 130. I didn't want to rip on somebody else's car, but look at all this construction shit's going on over here. It's gonna be me soon. Oh, look at all that. Boom. No, so that one he's asking a little bit for. I don't know if I wanna, like, I want it really bad. I don't know yet, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get it. I don't know. Surprise. Maybe I won't, maybe I will. On that note, let me know what you guys think. What are your thoughts on it? I'm not trying to be like TJ Hunt and the rest of the YouTubers that all have 350Zs. I've always just liked them. Like I don't have any super crazy plans for it. It would just be kind of a cool summer daily driver thing. Instead of driving my truck around all the time, putting the miles on this thing, you can buy a little fun manual car, you know, shoot around, maybe drive to work a couple days a week, you know, whatever. But look at that. What are you boys doing over here? It's gonna be me soon. Not doing asphalt though, dude. Make sure you guys follow my Snapchat because I always post shit like a bunch of stupid shit on there all the time. So there's that. And then just like, comment, subscribe, talk some shit. So peace out.